Hello guys, welcome again. I hope you all are having a lovely time. This is Atul, you're watching Trade Original, so let's get started. So the small cap stock that I traded this time is IRFC. I deployed a capital of around 2,03,000 and made a profit of 73,000. So the ROI is 36% around. I'll be explaining my entry and the exit seats and everything thoroughly on the screen. I'll be also showing my dashboard and the console as to know what was the exact profits made. The profit is made within 3 days only because I held the stock for 3 days. So let's go to the screen. But before that, please make sure to like the video. Do comment if you have any suggestions regarding what improvements can be made further in the video. Do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload anything. Thank you so very much.
So here's the chart of IRFC. Okay, so let's look at the price pattern in the stock. First, let's look at the initials. Okay, so since the stock got listed, it was in a very good consolidation. You can see the amount of consolidation. Okay, you can call this as a sideways trend or a flat base pattern or simply a consolidation, whatever you want. Okay, so actually I see this price pattern in the stock. If I draw a trend line over here, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 good rejections from the trend line. Okay, and then it gave a breakout over here, but I did not trade the stock in this breakout. First of all, let me be very clear that I did not trade this stock based on trend lines. Okay, this was not a trend line breakout where I entered. I actually traded this stock based on the moving average. Okay, now why so? Why did not I entered in this breakout? Reason being simple. See the price point where it gave a breakout. It is priced at 26 rupees. Okay, so thinking this to be a penny stock or a pump and dump scheme, I did not wanted to risk my capital in this stock. Okay, so thankfully it gave a good up move, and I thought after this up move it would actually lock into a lower circuit, but it didn't. So it was not a pump and dump scheme. Okay, so but yeah, it was in a bearish phase. Now why I'm calling this as a bearish phase? Because see it corrected for 7%. Okay, down move, and then again it corrected for 9%, then 3%, and then 11%. Such a big down move. So for me it was kind of a bearish phase. Okay, you can see the price, it was hitting a lower low. Okay, so it was kind of a bearish phase for me at least. So yeah, I didn't enter in this breakout. Now it again started to consolidate. Look at this consolidation. Okay, so again I see a price pattern over here. If I draw a trend line, let me remove all the lines from here. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, so again I see this price pattern. If I draw a trend line again over here, then just look at the rejections: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Two rejections over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rejections in this complete sideways trend. Okay, now again it gave a breakout over here. As said that I have not traded this based on a trendline breakout. Actually I traded this based on moving averages. I'm just explaining the price pattern for now. I'll tell the exact entry and the exit. Okay, so I again did not enter at this breakout. Again, reason being simple, the price is 37, which was still low for me. Okay, but yes, I did entered in this stock with a very low capital. I'll explain that later on. Okay, now the price point where I entered is, first of all, let's uh, see the moving average and clear all the drawings. Just give me a minute. I'll clear all the drawings. So just look at the moving average, guys. Okay, इन द स्टॉक या सो देखो जब भी ये 20 डे मूविंग एवरेज लाइन पे ना ये हमेशा यहाँ पे देखोगे सपोर्ट ले रहा था. बस एक ही बार ये मूविंग एवरेज को तोड़ा था बट नॉट दैट ह्यूज प्रेशर. The selling force was not that huge. It again immediately recovered. Okay, it was moving side by side with the 20-day moving average. Again a good up move, then again a sideways, and then again a good up move. Okay, so yeah, I did not trade it over this in this breakout. Now where I entered is my price point was 53 something over here. why I entered in this price point. I was keenly observing this stock. Okay, it was taking support in its 20-day moving average line and gave a good up move. ओके सो जब ये बहुत ही क्लोज यहाँ पर था ना अपने 20-day मूविंग एवरेज के, आई थॉट आई वुड एंटर इन दिस, बट अगेन इट शूटेड अप लाइक एनीथिंग ओके इन द सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द डे of this day. So it was very near to the 20-day moving average. Then again during the second half it started giving a good move, and as soon as this broke the previous day's high, okay, so I entered. Okay, and what was the price I entered? It's 53, and as soon as I entered it's just skyrocketed like anything. So what was the exact move? It's 70%. It gave an up move of 70%, but what was the exact move that I captured is 36%. Now why so? Why did I exited so quickly? Reason being simple, guys. See, I have a habit of exiting this stock if I get a very good move in 2 to 3 days, as I have said earlier in my previous videos. Okay, so as soon as I entered, I in the same day I got a move of 5%. The second day I got a move of 20%, and the third day I got a move of 10% almost. Okay, so yeah, I was good enough. My risk reward ratio was maintained. Okay, where did I place my stop loss? Okay, let me erase this. I'll tell this stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss was 20-day moving average line only. Okay, if this stock would have crossed this 20-day moving average line, okay, if this would have crossed below, I would have exited this in a loss. Okay, and what was the loss? What was the percentage of the loss? See, I entered at 53 and my stop loss was at 8%, and what percentage I got is 86. Okay, so it's almost 1 is to 3, more than 1 is to 3, 3.5. So I was good enough. I was sitting in a good profit, so I simply exited. Okay. Looking at the price point further, it gave an up move of 30% again. So see, this is not still in a bearish phase, but I would not risk any capital now for sure. Why? Because this is a huge red candle. Okay. Now crossing this, it would require a huge buying pressure. So for now, I'm done with this stock. If I see any further consolidation, then I might take up position. Okay. So for now, it's done. Acha, one more thing that I forgot is, uh, let me erase the drawings first. Okay. As said that there was one more price pattern which I found over here. Initially I said that this was a price pattern in the stock again. Okay, so the rejections over here was good. So as said that I traded this up move, but the capital that I deployed was very small. Okay, I did not wanted to risk my capital, but this was kind of a testing phase, you can call. I deployed small capital and I captured 25% over here. Okay, I made good money in this also, but the capital was small. Okay, now I entered over here, deployed a good capital of 2 lakhs 3,000 and made a profit of 73,000. So yeah, that's it. Now let's go to the console. Here is the console. Now let me select the date. So I think I booked the profits on 4th of September. No, 5th of September. Yeah, let's check out. Yes, here it is. So the name of the stock, IRFC, quantity is 3800, buying average is 53.45, buying value is 2 lakhs 3000, sell average is 72.90, and the profits made is 73.92, rupees. And if I exclude the charges, which is 528 and 15 rupees something, then the profits I was left with is 73,370 rupees. Okay, if you liked the video, please give it a like. Okay, uh, do comment and please subscribe. Thank you so very much.